Bayaw yan? Good day mga idolo, panibagong araw, panibagong biyahe serye mga idolo. Samahan nyo kami sa napakagandang probinsya ng aking asawa, ang Anda, Pangasinan mga idol. Tara mga idol, ililibot ko kayo sa ganda ng Pangasinan. Tamang relax muna tayo dito idolo para makalanghap naman tayo ng sariwang hangin at makakain ng mga sariwang isda mga idol. At ayan na nga, paalis pa lang yung bus natin dito po sa Dao Terminal tayo sumakay dahil nga taga Angeles, Pampanga tayo. Ito ang pinakamalapit na terminal papunta ng Pangasinan mga idolo.
Country road, please take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country road. Yo, mom. Almost heaven, West Virginia. The rich mountain shall undo a river. Life is so big, older than the trees, younger than the mountain, yeah, blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, West Virginia. Ooh, mountain mama, take me home, country road. All my memories gather around her. Mine is lately stranger to blue water. A dark and dusty, painted on the sky. A misty taste the moonshine, she drop in my eye. Country road, please take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country road. I hear the voices in the morning, how she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far, far away. Driving down the road, I got a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, whoa, country road, please take me home unto the place I belong, West Virginia, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country road, country road, please take me home unto the place I belong, West Virginia, West Virginia. Mountain mama, please take me home, the country road, take me home, country road.
At yung mga oras na yan mga idolo, nakarating na nga tayo sa Anda, Pangasinan at nakapagtanghalian na rin tayo ng sariwang isda na manamis-namis mga idolo. Sadyang napakasarap at magre-relax muna tayo mga idolo. Maraming salamat sa panunod nyo mga idolo. Peace out!